Balers from our basic series are inexpensive and cover the basic needs for waste handling. They are simple and safe to operate and very easy to install. Just plug and press. The B30 can be used in large retail shops and various industrial companies. The baler is simple to use. Load your cardboard boxes directly at the waste source. Even very large boxes can be loaded through the wide filling opening without folding. Compress your waste and reduce the volume by up to 90%. Inside the chamber, efficient barbs keep down the waste material, even expandable material like plastic. The baler has an automatic full indicator, which tells you when the chamber is full and ready for baling. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. Tie the straps around the finished bale. And eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation. You can now remove the finished bale. When you need to change strap rolls, this is quite easy because they are placed in front of the machine. You can also compress dry, soft plastic.